All right, everyone, looking at RLC. So I drew a red box just above the top of this fib here where we wicked at from this wick here at about 238 down to about 217. If we can get over this box on RLC, then this thing's going to start flying, in my opinion. But according to the fibs here, you can see the next stop would be 280, then $3. So we will go ahead and measure this. You are currently sitting at 219, and there's a little over 3 hours left on the candle here. So if we can end up getting over this box, which is about an 8% move, if we can get above about 238, then our next stop should be about 280 for another 27-28% on top of what RLC has already accomplished here. So it looks good at the moment. All the indicators are telling us that it has the momentum. You can see the MACD just got back over the zero, so that is a very good sign there. We have a bullish cross, the 21 going over the 50, so that's a very good sign. RSI is almost going vertical here. And if we look over at the Heikin-Ashi, printing deep green, no shadow, so that is a good sign that the trend is to the upside at the moment. So just watch this red box. We may end up getting stuck here. So, always be smart about it when you're invested in these things. I know people like to hold these things, hodl them forever. I mean, that's a good plan, but if you want to take profit, now would be a good time, not financial advice, because you are at macro resistance here. So this thing could very well have another candle spawn in, or this one could turn into a giant wick, and you could just fall off the table from there. Kind of like you did back here with this wick. You could see that we did have a bearish cross on the MACD, but as of now, we do have momentum up. So the big thing to watch is watch this box. We break over the box, then 280 is your next stop, and potentially even higher if you break this macro resistance here. If you end up getting rejected here and you pull back, you're still extremely bullish if you hold this $2 range here. So let's just go ahead and measure this really quick. So if you end up holding $2 from where you are right now, you're looking at about a 7.5% move down. As long as you hold 2, you're still good to bounce and push higher. Your last line of defense for RLC to remain bullish and keep the momentum is going to be your 618 down here at about $1.80. So about a 17% drop is all she can handle for a bounce and a move higher. Of course, if you've watched the updates before on this channel, you know that we like to draw our little scenarios here. So you could end up doing this and bouncing and moving higher, or you could end up doing something like this where you hit your 618, bounce back up to about $2 and then get rejected and then just kind of fall off the table like that. So just be aware of all those different scenarios there and all those different prices. But like I said, we're at macro resistance, so if you wanted to take a little profit, go ahead. Not financial advice, of course. Or you could ride it out and just see if we can get over this macro resistance here. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just watch those prices. Remember, go follow me over on Twitter. Not Twitter. What the hell is it called? Follow me over on Rumble. So yeah, not financial advice, never is on this channel. And with that said, thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.